Hello, yummies. A very warm welcome to the channel. If today is the first time here, my name is Yummy Cash. In today's video, we are going to be looking at how to make ginger drink and also look at some of the health benefits ginger drink gives to our body. So to begin with this ginger drink, of course, you need the main ingredient, which is the ginger. There is one thing I would like to add: whenever you are buying your gingers, do not buy the big ones. I see them as inorganic gingers. I stand to be corrected, but I love to use these small ones to make my ginger drink. So first things first, you would need to wash the gingers very well. Try as much as possible to wash it at least 2 or 3 times to remove all the dirt that comes with it. So in this ginger drink recipe, I am not going to be peeling the gingers. This is because the peel of gingers are also healthy and very beneficial to the health system. But if you are the type that do not like ginger peel, then feel free to peel everything. I'm done with the first washing. I will wash it again for the second time. As I said earlier on, try as much as possible to wash the gingers very well, especially if you are not going to peel them. So let's take a look at some of the health benefits you get whenever you drink ginger drink. Now it helps with digestion, it helps with bloating and also nausea. So I'm done with the third washing, which I did off camera. The next thing I'm going to do is to cut the gingers into very small pieces. This will help to blend it properly. But if you are using a juicer to make your ginger drink, then there is no need to cut them into small pieces. Another health benefit of ginger drink is it helps with cold and flu. So the next time you have flu or cold, do not forget to make yourself some ginger drink. So once I'm done with the cutting, I put it into a bowl, and I love the color of the ginger. So I'm going to be adding in some lemon juice. We all know lemon juice contains some vitamin C, which is also very helpful for the body. So I cut the lemons into 2 equal parts, and note that I have washed the lemons very well. So I proceed to juice the lemons with this handmade juice presser. Now, this health benefits of drinking ginger drink is really important. Studies suggest that ginger drink can help regulate blood sugar levels. So, you see, taking in ginger drink, at least 1 cup of ginger drink a day is really good. Now, I'm done with the juicing of the lemons. I will throw this away. So let's begin with the main juicing. In this blender, I will start putting in the cut gingers. I'm going to be using my hand blender for this video, but feel free to use your blender, that's the normal blender, or as I said earlier on, you can use a juicer to make your ginger drink. I proceed to blend it nicely. Once I'm done with the first batch of blending, I pour it into a bowl and proceed to blend the rest of the gingers. So I'm done with it, and we have to move on to the next step, which is to strain the ginger liquid. So I pass the blended ginger liquid through a colander and strain it nicely. There are different methods of making ginger drink, and I love to use this method because I find it very good. I'm done with the first blending. and the chaff was too much, so I add in a little bit of water to it and blend it for the second time. Alright, I'm done with the second blending. I will properly squeeze the liquid out from the chaff, and I did not throw the chaff away. I dried it and blended it to make ginger powder. So to remove all the chaff very well, I strain it for the second time. So once again, I'm not throwing this away. I added to the chaff, dried it, and then blended it into a smooth powder. I added in the lemon juice, give it a very good stir, and then bottled it and used it as and when needed. But before I bottled it and start drinking it, I let it sit for a little while and scoop the excess water from the surface. But note that I did not throw that water away. I drank it. Oh yes. Alright, yummies, we are done with the ginger drink. You can add a little bit of honey to it and enjoy. As always, thank you so very much for watching this video, and hope to see you around next time for another great recipe. Until then, always remember to do everything in love. Choose.